Hi. I'm just getting in and my package from Temu has arrived. Excuse me. Here it is. You know how excited I get when my packages come in. So, I went to the gym later today. I usually go in the morning, but I went at 12 today. And I made a few stops on my way home. And I'm just actually coming through the door. So, I was like, I'm going to open these gifts with you guys. Not gifts, but the package. So, let's see what's in it. I prefer scissors, but I couldn't find them. They're never here when I need them. Ooh, I'm cutting my table. Okay. One thing I can say about this company is that they make sure your package is really, really, really secure. Really. And this is one thing I don't like about Temu is that if you order like 12 things, they stick it all in one bag. You know what I mean? Look, one huge bag. And I know I got a lot of things in here. I don't know why they put everything in one bag. This is good. So, let's see what's in here. If I can get it open. Oh, boy. I needed scissors. I try not to tear up the bag because I might need it to send items back. So I try to be neat about it. Ooh, it's a lot in here. Ta-da! I don't know what outfit that is. What is this? Oh, this is my cell phone case that I ordered. I'm getting low on pretzels, folks. I'm gonna have to make a quick run to the store. I'm addicted. Okay. I keep cutting up my table. Look at that. Oh, isn't that cute? It's black. The best color in the world. It's black. So, okay. This is, what do you call these here things? I can't remember. I'm going to have to ask my daughter. Because I can't remember the name of these thingies. So, I'm sure I'm putting it on there crooked because I can't. There we go. So, it's supposed to, I don't know. I'll ask her. But anyway, I thought that was kind of cute because my other case is kind of messed up. So I ordered that. Not spectacular, but it's black. You can't go wrong with that. So, okay, let me try to put things in here neatly. I don't know if it's going to fit my phone, but I hope it does. So, okay, I'm satisfied with that. I'm very satisfied. It seems to be of good quality. Yeah, not bad. So, let's see. Remember I told you I ordered everything like a size big, a size larger than what I usually wear, because I thought that they made things small on that site. But then I read reviews after I ordered the stuff. It says that everything is like true size. So I'm like, damn, everything is gonna be too big when it get here, right? So let's see. Yeah, this shit is big. Look how wide this is. Oh, goodness. It is huge. Look how wide it is. I said I'm not going to send it back, though, if it's too big. I'm going to just use it for pajamas. Just use it for pajamas. And let me see the pants. Whoop. I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to try them on right now. Give me a second, y'all. Give me 1 second. I'm going to try them on. I still got on my workout clothes. Let me see. They look kind of big, but I don't know. Oh yeah, they did. God darn it. Now I know what size to order. Order my regular size. Damn it. I can wear them on shopping trips. I wanted y'all to see. Let me see. See? Let me get up here. Yeah, they're a little too big. They got the air and stuff. So now I know I can order them in the regular size, right? Instead of getting them bigger. And the top is humongous. I'm not even going to try that on because I know that's not going to work. But it's a nice little pajama set. A nice little cute pajama set. So, let's see what this is. I'm going to keep it. Did I put it in there right? Oh, I still got on the pants. All right, one moment. So, I messed up the thing trying to open it. All these big behind clothes. This is a cute little t-shirt. Well, big. Look how big this t-shirt is. Lord. It says, what does it say? Stay humble. I like the material. It is huge though. I guess I got more pajamas. Let me check out the pants. Check out the pants. Let me turn on this backlight. Okay, folks. So I'm gonna, oh gosh, these are big too. Goodness. Let me try on these. One moment. I cannot believe everything came in too big. This is my, this is my first time ordering clothes from this company. So I didn't know how to go. But now that I know, it's all good. Next time I'll just order my regular size. Oh shit, I'm about to knock stuff over. Yeah, these are big as hell. They're baggies. Look, y'all. And the thing is on the, oh God, my knee is bad. This here is down here where it should be like up to here. But, okay. Ooh. I'll just wear these for pajamas too. So, The bad part about it is I've ordered all of it the same size, big. Darn it. I messed up, but that's okay. If y'all like any of these outfits, let me know, because I'll send them to you. I will let you have them. I'd rather use them for pajamas or send them to somebody who really wants them. And I will send them to you for free. You don't have to pay for them. If you like either of these outfits, let me know, and I'll just send it to you. Yeah. I will send it to you. I might as well keep my pants off, shoot, because I'm going to be trying on more things. I want to show y'all myself. Give me 1 minute. So, damn it. And I like this one too. So, I ordered this. Essentials. It's a t-shirt, but it has matching pants with the same word on the leg. See? So, these don't seem as big, but I'll try them on and see what it's looking like. These are too big, but they're not as big as the ones I just had on. So, yeah. Let me get up here so y'all can see. I should have did this in the room. So these aren't, they're big. Yeah, they're big. But, I'm going to stand so y'all can get a better look. So, yeah, these are big, too. So, pajamas, I guess. Not unless you like them. Let me know. And you can have them. Free of charge. If you don't want them, I will just sleep in them. I'm trying to think of someone who's bigger than me that I can give them to. I don't know too many big girls. I really don't. So, I don't know. They're cute little outfits though. So what else do I got? Oh, y'all. Uh-oh. I got a pair of sneakers. Oh, I shouldn't have did that. Ah! They look small. Uh-oh. Excuse me. Keeps falling. They look kind of small. I don't know if they're going to fit. Because I think the company is in China or somewhere. So that's what led me to order everything big, because, you know, they're small over there, the people. So I was like, I better order a size or two bigger. These are small. I know these are not going to fit. Oh, I'm knocking things over. Oh, God, they barely fit. Oh, God. My toe, my big toe is hitting the, it's not tight, but my big toe, I'll keep them. I'll wear them, I guess. They can be work shoes. Oh, did I show them to you? Sorry, y'all. I just got deeply into it, didn't I, for a minute. But these are it. Yeah. I was trying to see if they had the size on it. They fit, but they don't. I like to have a lot of room. You know what I mean? Because I got bad feet, so I can't wear tight stuff on my... It's not tight, but I can... If I wiggle my toes, it'll hit the front end. But anyway, I like them. So, let's see what else is in here. This is big. I don't know what that is. I ordered so much stuff that I forget what I ordered. Oh, okay. This is for the for my car, for my truck. It's like car seats and stuff like that. This is it. I ordered the blue this time. Usually I order red, but I wanted to go with blue this time. By the way, blue is my favorite color. I don't know if I've shared that with you guys. So I'm not even going to take that out because until I'm ready to put it on my car. Yeah, y'all see my little bloomers, my big bloomers. I told y'all it's all about the bloomers. I don't play. So yeah, I'm going to put this back in because my kitchen already has a lot of mess going around. So I don't want to add to the mess. I ordered all these, these big clothes. It's not gonna go to waste. Remember, y'all, if you like it, let me know and I'll send it to you for free. Just tell me where to send it. Okay, so these are another pair of shoes I ordered from them. Aren't they cute? Look. At least they were cute on on the site. Excuse me, I'm talking to y'all and spitting all at the same time. So let's see. Oh, they fit pretty well too. Wow, actually kind of loose fitting. Very loose fitting. Oh, they're gonna be slipping and sliding. They big, y'all. Really big. They are really big. I'll show them to y'all, not today because I don't have any clothes on, but I'll show them to y'all when I get a chance. They're a little too big, so I think I might have to order a size smaller next time. Wow, that's pretty big. I'll wear them though. They're really cute. I'll wear them. I mean, you know, they're just a little big, but I am not hard to please at all. So I'll wear them with a pair of jeans, pair of sweatpants. Y'all know how I roll. Yeah, I was trying to close that. So I'm trying to think, am I waiting on anything else? I order all the time from them, so I can't keep up with what I order. I really can't. What else did I order? I'm trying to think. What else did I order? Okay. So now I know what size to order next time. My regular size. Overall, I'm pretty okay with what I ordered. I'm satisfied with it. Let me put some pants on so I can talk to y'all. Ooh. I'm busting out with my bloomers today. But I just wanted to try that on. And I did. Thank you guys for joining me. Oh, God, I'm so low on pretzels. I wish I could send all that stuff back and get the size I want. Good. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Take care.